What's up, traders? Welcome back to another video. Excuse me. So today we're going to look at USD CAD and a follow-up of yesterday's video on day count. So this is Friday. As you can see, we had our peak formation low with our, this is like a triple bottom, but this was our peak formation low on Friday. Then on Monday we went higher. So when you look at this structure, we have our day 1 on Friday, day 2 on Monday, which went higher above the previous day's high. So we look at the stairs. Remember, these are the stairs. Three days. Then, so if you are stocking, this is what you are looking for. So day 1, day 2, then yesterday on Tuesday, we went higher. Above the day 2. And as you can see, we have our peak formation high, and it looks like we are consolidating below the peak formation. So I don't know what's going to happen, but my thesis is that we will have a consolidation, and then we will stop hunt the high for the move down. That is what I'm waiting for. If it does not do that, then we just let it play out. But my thesis is that, probably because of the news during the New York session, we might get a nice textbook setup, a 3-day setup for 50 or 75 pip move. That is my take on the US CAD, and we're also going to look at let's look at a trade setup that formed yesterday on gold. So as you can see, we have our high and our low of the week on Monday. On Tuesday, we started going up 1, 2, around 100 pips, and we have our high of the day and our low of the session during London. The London session gave us this low. That was our low. Let us just cut all this. So this was our low in London and our high in London. Now, as a trader, you must evolve. And every single day I am evolving, making my trade setups as easy as possible. So when you have, well, I have come to realize that when the high and the low of London is not broken by the time we are reaching the New York session, it gives us an opportunity for us to take a small trade if we are not at the high or at the low of the day. So, but we are still following the same routine. The first hour sets the high and the low of the new session. So the first hour continues and we pin the low of the London session. So we know there are longs now in the market. The ones that, had placed their orders below the low of the session. Now, the first hour has set the high and the low of the session. So, when we are at the low, we are looking for buys. So, let's see what happens during the second hour. Second hour, we go lower. Now, this is our first push. Our first push into the low. And then our second push into the low. And our third push into the low. Alright? We all can see that. So let's continue. The market breaks structure. We have our three pushes to the low. Then we have that W structure. The W structure is this. We have our W structure. So what we want to see is a retest and an engulfment for entry, for 30 or 40 pips. And still have no engulfment. Nope. And there is our engulfment. So my entry is here. My stop, say 30 pips for, another 30 pips. There we go. We have our 30 pips. But guys, this is the way I have refined my strategy, and I am not advising you to trade like me. I am giving you my insights on how I trade, so that when you are backtesting or you are refining your strategy, whatever it is that's working for you, you try to improve it and make it as easy as possible for you to be in and out of the market in less than an hour. So hopefully guys, you got value from today's video. I'll be stocking USD CAD in the London session, in the New York session, and we shall see how it plays out. This might give us a very, very good, nice setup. You get this setup, your 75 pips, your 50 pips, and you're done for the week. Anyway, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe. See you in the next video.